guys, it's Boomer.
Chicken.
Okay, so pretty much me and Chicken saw something poking out of the water and found out it was a tarp. So here we are trying to get all the sand off of it so we can pull it out.
You can do this. I think it's working. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Yay! These were what was holding it down.
Here, see? Okay, so right here, Agua and Junior are collecting rocks for the fireplace. 3.
11 rocks.
11.
Everybody, it is finished. The fireplace is complete. So, Junior and Agua made these rocks around the edges and made a fireplace. We found...
I need to show you something.
We found this tarp. We got all of the sticks up here. And that's pretty much it. So, stay happy, stay healthy, stay